loves learning. They love a lot of different things, and we donate proceeds from every new car we sell back to our community. For us, that means everything. It's not just a car dealership, it's not just a business. We truly care about our community and our people. And without the extra things that our community does for each other, it makes it more difficult. What we want to do is make it easier for you. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. We're grateful we have this opportunity. I know you're going to use it wisely. And thank you again so much for participating with us and being great students and awesome teachers. Thank you.